Hello, fashionistas. Welcome to Fashion World. When we talk of African fashion, some people have make it generic. What comes to some people's mind is Ankara and lace, and in true lessons, is beyond that. We have different fabrics that we use in making some of these styles we are showcasing to you. It is just that Ankara and lace are more prominent, and that has to do with the fact that if you are watching this niche on YouTube, those of us from this part of the world, Nigeria, that is, those two fabrics are very popular here in Nigeria, and that is why we showcase more of Ankara and lace. Elsewhere, like Senegal, Mali, and so on, you will hear something like Guinea brocade, you will hear something like Togo in Liberia, and so on. We have different fabrics on this continent of Africa, and that we do turn to some of the amazing and incredible styles you can't imagine. Like Ghana, they have Kente, and it's very popular there. And with their Kente, they can use it to make any styles that you have seen with other fabrics. Like these styles you are watching rolling by your screen now, made with Ankara predominantly. Some of these styles you are seeing could still be made with Kente fabric, and what's going to distinct them is just the fabric. We're talking of styles, they are going to be like exact. And because this continent is continent of the black people, and we have semblance in terms of color of our skin and everything, so you can see a Ghanaian woman rocking kente, skirt and blouse, and you can see a Nigerian lady in rocking Ankara with skirt and blouse, and you won't be able to tell the difference in terms of physical appearance apart from the material or fabric they use. So today's video is celebrating our diverse culture and fabrics, because in this video you are going to be seeing Ankara fabric, you are going to be seeing Kente, you are going to see lace, you are going to see Adure. We make it an infusion of different fabrics just for you to have that enormous choice to make from any of this fabric, and to also make you to be conscious that when you talk of African fashion, it's most definitely beyond Ankara and lace. So as usual, sit back, relax, and enjoy what we have brought to you today, and have that maximum styles inspiration from this video. All props and credit in this video goes to those iconic fashion designers who put all this together for us to showcase to the rest of the world. Kudos to them. Enjoy this lovely video. Leave your thoughts below in the comment section. Subscribe if you have not done that, and don't forget to turn on your post notification for you to always get notified anytime we drop a video like this on this platform. My name is BJ, a fashion enthusiast and a promoter of African print designs, and also an ambassador of African fashion. I'll see you at the end of the video. Thank you.
We've been living in sin so long, all the feels are gone. Fella stopped me on the street last night, said everything's alright. Roller coaster, make it through the day upright. It seems your meal ticket is gone, but life goes on. I could never imagine something better. Yeah, right. Now you're cooking on high heat in the middle of the street. Roller coaster, take me to a better time. Let's go! All sing your high line with the roller coaster of life. Yeah. It's time to all choose your timeline on the roller coaster of life. You seem to day life gets you down, you gotta steal the crown. Got to own it. Don't bitch and moan about it, please. God forbid you scrape your knees, and it's nothing to sneeze at. Oh, I've told you over and over again, you gotta get both hands around it and make your own plans. Roller coaster, it's taking over, it's about time. Oh, sing your high line on the roller coaster of life. You've got to all choose your timeline with the roller coaster of life. Roller coaster. I want to go down the rabbit hole, down the rabbit hole of life. And now it's about to leave. Oh, roller coaster.
Thank you for watching that lovely video. Hope you enjoy what we've brought to you today. If you do, give this video a thumbs up and help us to share this video with family and friends for us to even spread the trend across the globe. And don't forget to leave your thoughts below in the comment section. My name is BJ. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.